Three most profitable businesses you can start in Africa. There are so many profitable businesses in Africa, but I've selected these three I'm going to be revealing to you. One I'll talk about is baby accessory business. If you can open a shop and sell these baby needs, you are going to make a lot of money. Why? Because new babies are coming into our world every single day. I can even tell you every hour people are giving birth. As the global population grows and more people have children, the demand for baby accessory continues to increase. Yes, that's a fact. And this growing demand provides a stream of potential customers for baby accessory companies. According to research, as at this year, baby care products is valued at $909 million and it is anticipated to reach $1,511.8 million by 2031. So you see what I'm talking about. The number two business I'll talk about is food business. If you can get good location and establish a food business, you are going to make a lot of money. You see, business is all about good location. If you can get a good location and start this business, you make a lot of money. Every single day people eat food. There's no day people don't eat food. You get the point now. The number three business I'll talk about is transportation business. Transportation is an important service that connects people, goods, services across the globe. As the globe economy grows and trade increases, the demand for efficient and reliable transportation services continue to rise. You see, people travel every single day. There's no day people don't travel. People need to move from one place to other every single day. If you can go into transportation business, you are going to make a lot of money. Why? Because transport is in high demand. The transportation industry comprises a wide range of services, includes freight, passenger loads, logistics, and many more. This allows companies to generate revenue from multiple sources, reducing their dependence on any single market. If you are new here, all I want you to do for me is to smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. Like this video and tell me which of the three businesses you want to venture into. Is it the baby accessory business? Is it the food business or the transportation business? Let me know in the comment section so that we can help you start it ASAP. I also have a course on importation. If you want to import anything into your own country, especially this baby accessory business, I'll leave a link in the comment section. Contact us to learn more. It's not going to be free, it comes with a fee. Click on the link to register now.